Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss K. Today I'm going to read aloud an informational text titled Animals of the Mountains, Snow Leopards, written by Lindsay Schaefer. Let's look at the front cover of this text. What do you notice? What do you see? What do you see in the background and the setting? I see a snow leopard. It is black and white. I see it's resting on rocks over here. See the paws over here? It's resting on the rocks. In the background, it looks like mountains. And if you notice over here and over here, it looks like it appears to be snow on the mountains. So snow leopards. So I'm assuming that a snow leopard lives in the snowy mountains. What do you think? Life in the mountains. Snow leopards live high in the mountains of Central Asia. Special adaptations help them survive in this chilly biome. So, we have a couple of bold words over here. Bold words are usually important words that the author wants us to pay special attention to. We're going to jump to the back of the glossary now. A glossary is a list of important words in a book and their meanings. A glossary is usually found at the back of the book, but we're going to jump to it now to help us figure out the meaning of those two unknown words in bold. The first one was adaptations, and adaptation means changes an animal undergoes over a long period of time to fit where it lives. The second bold word is biome. Biome means a large area with certain plants, animals, and weather. Snow leopards have thick coats. Their belly fur grows extra long to keep them warm. These coats also change with the seasons. They grow thicker and lighter color in winter. Snow leopard stats. Conservation status, vulnerable, lifespan about 12 years. So if you look at the snow leopard, right? These, the fur, that's their coats. Okay, so that's on the outside of their body that keeps them warm. Large paws help snow leopards walk easily over snow. Long tails help the leopards balance on rocks. These mammals use their fluffy tails as blankets too. We have two bold words over here, balance and mammals, and we're going to go back to the glossary to help us figure out the definition of these two words. So here's our glossary, and we're going to look up the word balance. Balance means moving or staying in the same place without losing control or falling. And then the second bold word was mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that have backbones and feed their young milk. Mountain air is thin and cold. Strong lungs help snow leopards take big breaths. Special adaptations. Wide noses warm the air before it gets to their lungs. We have a diagram over here of a snow leopard, and it shows us their body parts. So over here it says wide nose, so it's pointing to the snow leopard's nose. And then it says large furry paws, so here's their paws, and they zoomed in over here so you can actually see the bottom of the snow leopard's paw. And then over here is their long fluffy tail. Leaving signs. It is hard to find enough food in the mountains. Snow leopards are solitary to make it easier. Their territories cover around 80 square miles. That's 207 square kilometers. So we have the keyword over here, solitary, and territories. And once again, we're going to jump to the back of the glossary to help us figure out the meaning of these two bold words. Okay, we're in our glossary now. And the first word was solitary. Solitary means living alone. And the next bold word was territories. Territories means land areas where animals live. Snow leopards mark their territories by leaving signs. They rub their cheeks on rocks, they scratch the ground, they spray pee too. And here is a caption over here for this photograph, and it says marking territory. So the snow leopard is marking their territory there. Leaping leopards. Snow leopards are powerful predators. They hunt prey up to 3 times their own weight. Predators over here in bold means animals that hunt other animals for food. And prey, this bold word, means animals that are hunted by other animals for food. And then we have snow leopard diet over here. And then, oh, so these are the animals that the snow leopards hunt to eat. Snow leopards sneak up on prey. Rosettes help them blend in with rocks. When they get close, they pounce. These big cats can leap up to 50 feet, which is 15 meters. So we can see over here that the author included a photograph over here that zooms in on the snow leopard's fur. So these are rosettes. So they can camouflage in and blend in with the rocks. Snow leopards hunt in early morning and evening. The dim light helps hide them from prey. These cats are top predators in their mountain biome. Now here's the glossary at the end of this text. So we know that we have come to the end of an informational text because we see the glossary, and the glossary is usually located in the back of the book. This is an index. An index tells what pages the readers can find certain topics. So for example, here is the index. Let's say, for example, I wanted to find out about the snow leopard's prey. So I'm going to look for prey. So I don't have to read the entire informational text. I can just go to pages 17, 18, and 20 to find out information on prey. If I wanted to find out information on the snow leopard's food, I'll go and find food, and then I can go read pages 12 and 17 to find out more information on food. So boys and girls, today we have read all about snow leopards. We've learned many different facts about the snow leopards. What I want you to do right now is to take out a piece of paper and a pencil, and I want you to write down 2 interesting facts that you learned about snow leopards today. So again, I want you to take out a piece of paper and a pencil and write down 2 interesting facts that you learned about snow leopards from today's Read Aloud. I hope you enjoyed today's Read Aloud.